Good morning, student. I am here to give you the last video of this chapter, collective belonging. My dear students, as we have noticed, now we are going to discuss that how sense of nationalism emerged in our country. So there were the various reasons, students, how the people of India began to feel that they are the citizen of the same nation. Okay, so first we think, student, the idea of collective belonging developed with the एंटी कॉलोनियल मूवमेंट, है ना। हमने जो अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ एंटी कॉलोनियल मूवमेंट लाया, ये हमारे देश में यूनिटी लाने में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। बिसाइड स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी सी, तो कल्चर ऑफ मीन्स बी इंडियन पीपल्स, कल्चर ऑफ बी इंडियन पीपल आर सिमिलर फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर रीजन। ओके, तो कल्चरली, ट्रेडिशनली, थ्रू द folklore, है ना, बी बिगेन टू फील ए बीइंग यूनाइट or being the part, being the people of the same country, students. Okay, so these two were the reason. First, students, we discuss that due to the anti-colonial movement, sense of collective belonging began to be developed in Indian heart. Later, students, if we see, so we find culturally, traditionally, through the custom, through the festivals, we are students, we are means very similar to one another's, so that also help to boost the sense of nationalism in our country. Later, students, we find there that if we see, so after late in 20th century, we find different activity through the symbol, through the icon, through the song, through the book, through the media, है ना, a different sense began to be developed. And in this means while students we see the creation of image of Bharat Mata. Once when the image of Bharat Mata was created, so people began to worship as goddess, and that helped be Indian people to come all together or come within one umbrella. We begin to think like that. Later, students, we see that several writer also, like the Bankim Chand Chatterjee, he wrote, students, Anandamait, that was the story of Hindu militia. So such book, students, and literature also help to globalize we Indian people in form a single citizens. Later, students, we see creation of national flag by Gandhi, we notice there. Means during the non-cooperation movement, so there, students, Gandhi tried to unite Hindu and Muslim both all together through the national symbol and reinterpretation of Indian history. And if we see, students, reinterpretation of Indian history, so Indian were always considered as a backward, dull. So when we went through our past history, we find, and it helped to feel be Indians being boosted, to feel be Indian being boosted on our past history rather than to be ashamed. Okay, so these all things all together, students, help to students feel a collective sense belonging. That is what, students, was a special with this chapter, and I will try to give you clip also that will help you to understand better about the collective belonging. Okay, students, have a nice day.